Hello, my name is Indrayani Wanjari. I have been a part of KC Overseas. When I was researching for the institutes that I will go for my GRE preparations, KC Overseas was the clear winner. I've researched about their faculties, about their material, and I've found that their faculties are very experienced. They help us tackle all the problems that I faced during my preparation. They told me about all the ways and the strategies that I would be applying during my preparation. Talking about the material, I would say that the material provided by KC is more than enough for your GRE preparation. They have a great balance of all the hard questions as well as the easy level questions. They can help you in your preparations thoroughly. Then talking about the mocks, KC provides us with mocks that are at par with the GRE questions, and I found them very helpful for my preparations. Talking about the abroad counseling sessions, I had a great experience with the staff of KC. They are very experienced and they have helped me throughout my admission processes. They were always there when I needed them. For these reasons, I would strongly recommend KC Overseas for your study abroad preparations.